All right, this is a round coffee table. So we got a smaller den area here, and that's my son's place. So he wanted a smaller coffee table that serves multiple functions here. So we got a couple of different levels here. You can see we can also close this back up, and this is really cool right here. This pops up and down. So you can, if you're sitting at the couch eating over here, right, and you want to, pull your tray up to it instead of pulling the whole table over like you might do this way, you just flip this up and you can have your drinks and your plate if you want to eat in the den while you're watching TV or a game or something. So that's pretty neat. And then of course you also have storage right here that you can access. The same storage is right here. So that's pretty cool. So a nice little round, unusual coffee table. That might be more appropriate for maybe a little smaller space, maybe a little different look. That's what to expect with this piece of furniture. Maybe this will work for you at your house.